Cycling is one of the favorite hobbies for many people nowadays. It is an excellent form and eco-friendly mode of transportation that helps to improve our environment by producing zero emissions. For many enthusiasts, they always consider the safety and appeal of cycling, such as the high technology bicycle gears and safety equipment aspects. In fact, there's a wide range of safety equipment available to enhance your cycling experience, and many of them are very important, especially the bicycle helmet. Thus, in this video, we were about to discuss our 3D model project, which is the enhanced customizable bicycle helmet. But before that, did you know that according to a study, in our country, Pasig City is hailed as one of the most bicycle-friendly cities by the Mobility Awards, even though they are the one that has a lowest helmet use. Kinda confusing, right? That is why we should consider and remember to wear a bicycle helmet all the time while cycling to prevent accidents. In terms of bicycle helmet concerns, we saw that there are still existing problems that riders still experiencing, such as comfort issues, fitting problems, accidental concerns, and ventilation properties. That is why we created this enhanced customizable bicycle helmet to prioritize users' comfort, increase bikers' overall safety, and prevent possible hazards. This is our 3D model. It is named Lithosphere. Just like the protective shell around the Earth, our helmet provides strong light shield protection around the head. Furthermore, we added features that incorporates comprehensive solutions for the issues existing in the cycling community.
Good day everyone, my name is John Ivan C. Paderno and I'm here to discuss the features of our bicycle helmet. Helmet shell is a crucial component ensuring safety in various industries such as construction, biking, and motorcycling. We use polycarbonate material because it has a high impact resistance, making it capable of absorbing and dispersing energy upon impact. EPS foam. We utilize to use the EPS foam as a padding for helmet since it has a excellent shock absorbing properties. EPS foam is lightweight, which is essential for ensuring comfort during prolonged use. The next feature that I'm about to discuss is the ventilation system. So, ventilation system allow airflow through the helmet, helping to keep the rider's head cool and comfortable during cycling. It can help cyclists maintain focus and performance, especially during long rides or challenging terrain. Detachable visor. So, detachable visors provide the option for customization, allowing riders to tailor their helmet to suit their individual preferences and riding style. They are also convenient to store to avoid damaged visors during transit. Last is adjustable chin knob, which allows wearer to fine-tune the tightness of the chin strap or retention system. It contributes to comfort, stability, and safety of helmets, making it a desirable option for many users.
Now, combining all those features, we have the 3D model of our Lithosphere customizable helmet, which weighs 412 grams. As you can see, the helmet shell is made of polycarbonate material and an EPS foaming inside. It is integrated with ventilation system in front, side, and back of the shell. Our helmet also has a head adjustment mechanism that ranges from 54 cm to 60 cm fittings. Lithosphere also have an adjustable chin knob that is designed to provide fit, comfort, and safety to its users. We'd also like to showcase our detachable visors to protect the eyes of the users from potential dangers. And lastly, to emphasize our adjustable chin knob, here's the illustration and breakdown of the mechanism we designed. Moving forward, this customizable helmet Lithosphere is designed to resolve the troubles of the bikers that Mr. Habilas mentioned earlier, to make the users comfortable with the fittings, to avoid road accidents, and experience a sufficient ventilation during a long, tiring ride. This is Lithosphere, a customizable bicycle helmet designed by the students of Mechanical Engineering 31, and I hope that you enjoyed our design presentation.